bottom bounce play. Guys, you see the reason why I keep talking about V-shaped bottom bounce play. This is a true definition of what I call the BB play, which is the bottom bounce play. So see how we bottom bounce, we bottom around this area and then bounce into 20 exponential moving average, which will act well. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, guys. Well, this is your boy Francis. Welcome to the Trading Success Show. If this is your first time, you're welcome to this channel. This is not a recommendation to buy or to sell any stock and whatsoever. We're gonna be analyzing stocks. We're gonna be talking about low float, low price stocks, and I will be talking about very small quantity of stocks. The reason is because the market at this point in time is not directionally focused. Okay, so because the market is not directionally focused, you're gonna tend to see stocks popping higher, lower, higher, pop, just like that, and the market will be acting the same way. Now that we have the issue with Russia and Ukraine, I expect the market to really fluctuate as well. Now look at IWM. This is the Russell 2000 ETF. I talked about it in my previous video, and at this point in time I have this W shape, and this W shape in most cases tend to break out. Okay, so keep an eye out and see what the market does on Monday. I'm expecting some form of a pullback on Monday, and then we can progressively push higher and give us that V-shaped kind of pattern. But now that the issue is still intensifying in Europe, so I'm expecting some form of a pullback come Monday as the sanction and all that begins to roll out. But anyways, that is your IWM. For your SPY as well, pretty much the same view, but for SPY I'll be looking for more to the downside towards the 430. Okay, $430, that is the area I'll be looking for. If price doesn't hold that area, then expect price to pull back to 425. But for now, 440 is our target to really shoot on SPY. You can also refer to the previous video as well. Our first stock here is going to be ANGH on the low flow side. At this point in time, we are progressively moving. We just bounced right off the 20 exponential moving average, so we'll be expecting more. If price can really break $18, I think break and hold, then we can continue to push towards $24, which is that resistance spot. Next one is CEI. CEI also this is one of our favorite back in the day, but right now price is back down, even got close to sub 50 cents. So keep an eye out and see if momentum can really come and then push this through $1. YMAB as well, another one to keep an eye out on is that area of $8.50. That is your area of support at this point in time, which coincide with our 20 exponential moving average. So what we're going to be doing here is to really pick up some and expect the price to really move. Look at how we made this W-shaped pattern, right? And then boom, we break out. So look for $10 and then $12 in the coming days on YMAB. GFA. GFAI is your best bet here, bottom bounce play. Guys, you see the reason why I keep talking about V-shaped bottom bounce play. This is a true definition of what I call the BB play, which is the bottom bounce play. So see how we bottom bounce, we bottom around this area and then bounce into 20 exponential moving average, which will act, or it did act, as a resistance, right? So if we can break right through it, close right above it, let's say around 75 cents, I think we can continue to keep pushing and pushing into $1 in the coming days as well. Now TMST is another one. This is Tim Ken Steel Corporation. At this point, we are expecting price to really pull back towards the $16.50 or even the $16 for another possible entry. STRN as well, we're looking for a bounce into the $2 spot. All right, if we can hold that $2 spot area, I think we can easily push towards $2.50. That is your area, so keep an eye out on STRN. Momentum is coming. Look at that volume. RSI is at 38%, so keep an eye out on that one. SSNT as well, $3.50 is your area, but around $3.65 break. Guys, we're looking for the push towards $4 or even $5 in the coming days on SSNT. Also, let's take a look at ASRT. ASRT right now, momentum is coming into the name solidly. I think we're about to really bounce into the top downtrend. So keep an eye out on ASRT. This is the one right here. So keep an eye out and see what that really does in the coming days, right? SNDL as well. Look for this. This is a sundial growers and bouncing right off the 46 cents area into 50 cents. So if this area hold, 50 cents area hold, I'll be expecting more to the upside on SNDL. So keep an eye out on that name. Also ROKR, this one right now, we're looking for the trend break. Once trend break comes in, we're gonna just keep bouncing, boom 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 boom. Right now we have a true definition of a double bottom right here. This is one and this is the second one, so we'll be looking for a break off that $5.50 area for the continuation higher on the name. Also have QLGN. This one right now, I'll be looking for a bottom bounce play on this stock. Right now, just keep an eye out. I think things can really come in. And VCT as well, keep an eye out. $6 right now is going to be our support, guys. And don't forget, there will be wave of trapping long, strapping shorts. So for now, just keep it a very good tight stop, $5.50 as a stop in anticipation of the move towards or right above $8 in the coming days. So keep an eye out on NVCT because this one should go places. MUL and as well, look for a bottom bounce play on this name. That is the one. So look for a bottom bounce play. Ktta as well, we're looking for $1, about $1.02. Okay, so right now 116, 115 is the area to break. We break that area, guys, we're really gonna push on that name. So keep an eye out on that. AMMR as well, we're breaking right out. We broke the 20 exponential moving average only to reject the 50 exponential moving average. But for now, keep an eye because we can really continue to move. Momentum can really come in and we can continue to push. to advance our RSI level. So keep an eye out on that particular stock as well. So we also talked about previous videos CYRON. Right now CYRON, we're looking for support right around the $5 zone. If $5 zone holds, I think we should push towards the $9.50, $10 in the coming days on CYRON. Keep an eye out on that. Next one is going to be ISPO. Right now our support is going to be 40, and then with another support around $30. So that's going to be the final support zone, with this immediate support at $40. Okay, so keep an eye out and see if price can continue to push over. Now 63% is your RSI, and volume came in on Friday. Now let's get into another one, and this is Ktta. We talked about Ktta, we talked about ISA, we talked about Indu as well. This one is another one which will be our final one for this evening. Right now we are pushing and pushing higher, coming from the $485 zone all the way into 14. I really saw this when this was $6, but I didn't take it because I wasn't going to be on the screen for so long, so I decided to skip it because it is very important to be patient as well in trading. Right now I think at this point in time we got 83% on RSI, so I'll be looking for an extension pullback in INDO. So keep an eye out on this particular stock, and then we should be all right. Guys, thank you for being here. Thank you for your time. I hope you guys have a fantastic weekend. I love you guys. Be peaceful out there. Share more love and have a fantastic one, guys. Peace and love. Bye bye.